baby told me with a sigh, saying words that came across as a doubt.
Apocalypse yung last.
Welcome.
Tapos fake story si Felix. Wala ba?
Nakakatawa, Arthur. So, we are going to London for 3 days and 2 nights. We're gonna watch John sa concert. We are now in London. So we are here in London King's Cross. And we decided, we left our bag na in Travelodge because the check-in is 3 o'clock. So, time check is 10:30. So, we decided to eat in Jollibee. So, nandito tayo sa sikat na sikat to. Itong train nila, diba? Pinagbamalaking train ng City of London.
So, ano yung pagtatak niyo papunta, yun yung pagtatak niyo papalisan?
Yeah. Watch how we're gonna buy. Want to eat my favorite.
Kasi yung burger steak.
What?
Kochi ni Suki. Fast and the Furious 1. Si Suki.
So we're here again in Chinatown. Yeah.
Halo-halo muna.
Ang aga naman maghalo-halo. Ay, pwede tayo maupo, oh. Hindi naman tayo nag... So we're going to our favorite halo-halo store here in Chinatown. So this is ice cream and creme brulee, leche flan.
Creme brulee.
Sa ibabaw.
It's creme brulee.
Creme caramel ang tawag dito sa recipe.
No, it's creme brulee.
Creme brulee French yun.
Ang bastos. So I'm gonna try what I bought. It's just a classic one. So this is how you eat the halo-halo. You halo-halo. In English, you mix.
With love.
Halo-halo, it's mix.
With love.
Yes. The ingredients are, of course, cornflakes forever. Would you like for breakfast? Cornflakes, porridge, like that.
Weetabix.
Toast. Almusal pala sa work. So, ano ba naman ito? Beans. So, we have beans, the...
Nata de coco.
Nata de coco, you know, the coconut.
Coconut strands.
Ano pa? What's a langka? Jackfruit.
Jackfruit.
What's a langka? Ah, it's a shia. So you
Jackfruit
mix this. And then, you eat it under the sun. Is there sugar sa ilalim? There's none.
Yes,
Is there?
Yes.
Walang lasa yan.
I thought there's none, pero...
But you thought wrong.
But they put 3 sugar. How many sugar, love? Can I have 2 sugar?
35.
How would you rate it?
5.
Ah, sobrang taas ng standard mo, friend. Ay, kaya tayo na ano, bus. Babay, dito ka tinamaging sila eh.
Maliwanag dito. Hindi pwede yung itim natin.
Uwi ko sa itim.
Problema ka siya. What makes you come to London?
I come to London because there's an opening in the Southeast. No, I just really want to go abroad and yeah, and pay all my utangs, you know, to all the people na I had utang before. Thank you. Bayad na ako. If you want to utang now, this is my friend Jomer. Yeah. So, nandito tayo sa kung saan maraming nagpapapicture na turista. Yes. Nabala kayo dyan. Tapos na ako. Nakapagpapicture na kami dito.
Bigla mo kaya?
Making sure na tama yung sasakay naming station going back to London King Cross. We will check in now at 3 p.m. So we just had to walk the park and around city of London, and then we're going to the hotel na, so we can rest kasi we're going to the concert. Everyone else but you. Baby, you light up my world like nobody else. Hi.
Liverpool Street. The next station is Blackfriars.
Oh, Blackfriars. From here, we're going there.
Yes, girl. We
arrived back to King Cross.
Because King Cross is the best.
The best. Sa kabila, dun yung mga European train.
Travel and tours.
Yeah. I'm just taking a video. Kasi I'm lobat na. Welcome to Narnia.
It's London, baby.
Yay! So we are now preparing to have our supper. Our tea pala. We're gonna go to Potato Corner in Kensington because it's my favorite. And then we're going to Albert Hall Mansion.
Oh my god.
For Nurse John's concert.
What's the title?
I don't know. Nurse John lang.
Nurse John.
Yun lang.
The Baptist. John the Baptist.
Sorry guys, last na ni Joey. Wala eh. Bilisan mo, late na! We have to go ng 5:30 o 36 na oh. Let's go. I hope you enjoy the party. I mean the party na naman.
Hindi mo dadalhin yung ano?
iPad. Ito? Hindi, ito dadalhin ko. Sige na, we're going. Bye! See. We're going now. Doors closing. Diba, mag-iisa lang yung boses ng ano?
Palit sa ano? Slide.
Ano yun? Parang ano, Alexa, ganyan.
Siguro, baka isa lang gumawa. Baka AI.
Baka AI, oh. AIG, HIJK, alam mo P. I like my clothes so much.
언제부터 네가 남자로 보여
We're going to the King's
어느새 얼굴이 화끈거리고 행동 하나하나가 조심스러워지는데 넌 어때?
Yung pork sisig may rice na pumunta. Tapos isang palabok.
사랑스러워지는데 난 어때?
Paano mo picture?
Fall in love, fall in love, fall in love 네가 날 안아준다면 Fall in love, fall in love, fall in love 네가 내게 와준다면 얼마나 좋을까 함께라면 그 뭣도 필요 없어
Kaya bawal dyan double lane.
So, KE 19 MMU. Dito ka na We're here. Puno-puno. Sold out ticket. Congratulations, Nurse John.
Gano'n na talaga?
All right, London, with all the love you got in you, all the energy you can muster, everybody, I want you guys to put your hands together on the count of three. Let's say the chant. 1, 2, 3. Nurse John, we're short staffed. Give it for Nurse John. Play your music. Holy shit, we made it here. Second night of our sold out show here in the Royal Albert Hall. That's why in every single hospital, in every single unit, there's at least one ate, means sister.
Yeah?
And tita means? Auntie. And my people are very good at two things. One, potlucks, bring and share. Have you guys had lumpia and pancit before? And they even give you a ziplock at the end of it. Two, they're very good at being unfiltered. They will tell you exactly what you do not want to hear in the heaviest accent possible.
So yes, you are ready to hear her debut hit single. Start clapping right now for the very sexy, very demure Nurse Pam.
That's fair.
Somehow I made it through. Alexa, can you please play Nurses Just Want to Have Peace and Wine?
Here's Nurses Just Want to Have Peace and Wine by Nurse Pam on Spotify.
Here, good sir. There you go. All right, ready? 1, 2, 3. Short step. DJ, play the music. You guys can take pictures if you like. Go and take pictures.
So we're finished na. I think so. Hindi ko talaga alam kung bakit kami ang bilis-bilis maglakad. Hindi ko talaga alam bakit ang bilis-bilis namin. Yung mga namin hinahabol, may huling piece. Hindi ko talaga alam. Bakit ganoon? Wait lang, may sasakyan. Magiging kwento na lang talaga tayo, bes. Go, ilaban natin. Cheers. Ayan, di pa nadedete kasi ano ko. So, we're gonna drink tonight because we had so much fun talaga. It's really, really funny, witty. It's a good laugh talaga. Ganda. So, because of that, we're gonna drink a Kopparberg that has 3.4 lang pala to. Kala mo naman pag nainom ako na lalasing na ako. So, 3.4 volume of alcohol. Perfect.